guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Harini and I hope you're doing great. I'm back with a new video to share my favorite apps with all of you which help me to improve my productivity, my sleep, my reading skill and also my to-do list. I hope you find them useful and adapt a few of them today. The very first app is for your focus. It uses the Pomodoro technique and it's called a Forest app. This app helps you stay focused on important things in life. Whenever you want to stay focused, you plant a virtual tree. The tree will grow while you focus on your work, and leaving the app halfway will cause your tree to die. That's another incentive to keep working for that interval. Next app is for your sleep. If you're like me who is constantly on their phone and needs help falling asleep, well, use the phone. This great app is called Tide and it has a lot of great natural white noise which can help you become calmer and get to sleep early. It also has a lot of options for guided meditation, focused work, and I personally love this app because all the sounds are super crisp and also natural. The next app is for the to-do list junkies like me. I am a list person. I love making plans and lists. So this to-do list app is best when it comes to organizing my things online. This also comes with great features like adding sub-list to the main task, which helps break down a large task into smaller, doable, smart, measured tasks. If you're like me who likes to plan their day, plan their week and month, this would be a great app for you. The next app is for your speed reading. If you've seen my previous video where I talk about techniques to increase your reading this year, I talk about speed reading a lot and I personally use this technique to increase the number of books I read in a year without missing out on any great content. This comes with several exercises of various levels which will help you train yourself to read faster, in effect to read more books. This would be a great technique to learn anytime. So these were a few of my favorite apps I'm currently using. I hope you found them useful and they help you optimize your life to a more productive state. I'll see you in the next video with more fun tips. Till then, take care and please subscribe.